Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign out of Apple ID on your Mac. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First click on Apple icon to open a menu about your Mac and then open System Settings. Then at the left menu find Apple ID with your name. Open it and here we see Sign Out. Click on it. After that we can keep a copy of our iCloud data on this Mac before signing out, or if you don't keep a copy, your data will be removed from this Mac, but will still be available on other devices using iCloud. Let's choose not to keep a copy, but if we click on Cancel, nothing has changed. We haven't logged out of the account. What to do if we don't want to save data on a MacBook? Click Sign Out once more and then uncheck this data. After that, the key button disappeared and instead of it, we see a Continue button. Click on it and next we need to add our Apple ID password. If you don't know your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions. I enter my password and then click Continue. Signing out. Wait please. Congratulations, we just signed out of Apple ID, but it's pretty boring to use a Mac without an Apple ID. Let's sign in with a new Apple ID. Open Settings again, System Settings, and click on Sign In. After that, enter your email as an Apple ID, and after that, click Next. Add the password, and next, click Next. Then enter the verification code sent to your other device. If you use it, my verification code came to iPhone. This is an additional security check. Tap Allow on your iPhone and then add the verification code from your iPhone. In my case, it is 944915. That's okay. This mark will be associated with your Apple ID and data such as photos, contacts, and documents will be stored in iCloud. Next, we need to enter this username password. This is the password when the computer boots up. Then click OK. Then we need to enter another passcode from our iPhone. OK. What else? Allow Find My Mac to use the location of this Mac. Yes, of course, it's useful. Option Allow. Congratulations! We have done it after entering a million passwords. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you next time.